How to download Minecraft for free. First of all, open up your preferred browser and in the search bar type in Minecraft download. Once you press enter on your keyboard, scroll down a bit under the search results. Now head towards the first link, that is www.minecraft.net. Then you will land on his official web page. Here by default, the launcher will be downloaded for your Windows 10 or 11. If you scroll down a bit and if you have different platform or device, there you have various option. If you want to download it for your mobile device, that may be your Android or iOS, and also you can download it for your Linux or for any software. So from there you can also download the Minecraft, but for your Windows 10 or 11, launcher will be downloaded. So click on download launcher for Windows 10 or 11, and once the Minecraft launcher is downloaded in your device, you can open up the launcher and from there select your preferred version of Minecraft that you want to play. And that's how you can download Minecraft for free in your Windows 11 or your Windows 10 or any devices. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.